if you are anything like me, you love yourself some home decor. And seasonal decor is no exception. But a couple of years ago, I really had to give myself a talk and say, enough is enough. Every season that comes out, so does new seasonal decor. And it's new, it's cute, you want it and you buy it, and then you bring this seasonal decor home, and what is supposed to bring you joy actually brings you stress because there's just so much of it. It's a lot to get up, it's a lot to take down. So in my talk to myself, I said anytime I bring in any new decor that's seasonal, I need to get rid of something. So something new coming in, something old coming out, which so far I have done really well. I know it's going to get to a point where there are going to be items that I'm just not going to want to part with, and I'm going to be faced with, well, if you're not bringing anything out, or how are you going to bring something in? But I haven't gotten to that yet. I'm still at the stage where one thing in, one thing out. It's really helping. I also do the $5 Goodwill challenges that are hosted by Hillary. I will link her channel right here. You can go check her out. I will also link the playlist at the end of the video, and you can go check that out if you don't know what I'm talking about. So every 3 months I am buying a new seasonal item from the thrift store and bringing it in my house and adding on to what I already have. So I have been also trading when I do that. If I'm bringing it in, even though it's from the thrift store, I am still bringing something out. I want to show you so far what I've done. I have it aside because I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to donate it or whether it's going to be a part of a yard sale that I want to have this summer. So I'm holding on to it for that just in case I do the yard sale, and if I don't, then I will donate it. But I also know 5 other lovely ladies who have channels who participated in the latest Goodwill challenge, which was the spring challenge, and I'm going to challenge them to do the same with me. So a week from today, I am challenging you ladies to do a video and show all of us what you're willing to part with to replace what you brought in for the spring challenge. So I want to see how hard it is going to be for you girls, if it's going to be easy, or if you're going to do it. I will also have their channels linked in my description box. You can go check them out. And the first one is Vanilla and Canela. The second one is Life with Kristy. The third one is Kristin's Chaotic Life. The fourth one is Erin Williams. And the fifth one is BudgetBee. Ladies, join me. Let's declutter. Let's get rid of something we can part with and not feel so bad about accumulating all kinds of stuff we know we really don't need, especially if we want to do these Goodwill challenges. It will make us feel better. We're giving back. We're not feeling so bad with bringing what we're bringing in. So let's do this together. Let's upload our videos a week from today showing what we brought in for the last Goodwill challenge and what we are taking out to kind of make room for that new one. Even though it's already happened, I still want to see if you ladies can do it. I will come back Friday also with what I got rid of in order to be able to allow myself to bring in the newest piece that I brought in with the spring decor. I will see everybody back on Friday. I hope you ladies don't disappoint and you join me. Bye.